Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you, and then let's go to the settings. So here we need to scroll down and localize the section for the accounts, which is called passwords, passkeys and accounts. Let's tap on it. And here we've got the section accounts for owner, and as you can see I already have my Google account added, so we will start this tutorial with removing the account. So all you need to do is to tap on it and tap on remove account, then tap on remove account, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. And if you wish to add the account, just tap on this plus icon here and choose Google. Make sure again that you've got the internet connection, and here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. So here we've got, here we need to enter the password, so simply do it and then tap on next. Now you have to decide who will be using this device, so either you or your child. Just mark the option and tap on next. Google terms of service and privacy policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we can also decide whether we want to use the backup or not. I don't want to do it, but if you want to, you can just choose the sections that you'd like to backup and tap on turn on backup. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.